Okay, this is the IONIQ 2025, the IONIQ 6. We're going to show you how to reset or set or disable the service reminder. So we go to your screen here, you swipe over, find your setup, then you're going to go vehicle, then you're going to scroll down here to convenience. And right here is service interval. So you can push the reset, and then it'll reset to whatever you had it set at. So this service interval is for mainly tire rotations. Like other cars would have an oil and rotate, oil change. This would just be tire rotate. It's recommended 5,000 miles. You already have the 0 here. But if you want to change that, you just put your number in here and push OK. Same thing with duration. It goes by months. Put however months you want in there, push OK. And that's what will be there. And you can reset. Right now it's recommended 5,000 miles, 1 year. That's what recommends, or Hyundai recommends, for tire rotations on the IONIQ or the electric cars. So hopefully that is helpful. If you have that alert coming up, you just want to get rid of it or not see it, turn it off. You just push that and you disable it, so then they'll never come up. But all new ones, we are supposed to set this, and we take a picture, let them know that it is set on each car. If you want to turn it off, that is up to you. So hopefully that was helpful on getting that message to go away or to reset it to whatever you want to set it to.